I'll speak. Yeah, good morning, Delhi Public School, GANDHIDHAM. Today we have the most amazing session with our wonderful kids. And they are amazing because some of them, they have reached up to 9 by 9. So, as a DPS school, we thought we must take an initiative because our children are already knowing plenty of Rubik cubes to solve. So, a Rubik cube club we have made where those children, those who know how to solve 2 by 2 and they want to learn 3 by 3, there will be mentors here because some of the kids, they are very amazing here. They have reached up to 7 by 7, 8 by 8, mirror and plenty. So, this is an initiative what we have taken. Each one teach one. Each one teach one. If I know something, I will be teaching that to someone else, and in that way, our whole school will be learning. Whole school will be the learning mode. So I wish all these students, and I'm really thankful to the parents of DPS GANDHIDHAM that they are taking so much of pain in nurturing their children. So thank you everyone, and now we'll start with few kids how they do this amazing job. Thank you, Delhi Public School, GANDHIDHAM. Good morning, Delhi Public School, GANDHIDHAM. It's my privilege that I have so many kids with us, those who know how to solve Rubik Cube. Yeah, what's your name?
Sir, Ritik Chaudhary.
Alright, and you are a student of which class?
12th.
So could you please tell us about the Rubik cubes what we have kept? I'll hold the mic for you. You can explain please.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have 3 into 3 cubes and 12-sided cubes, square cube, triangle cubes, 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, also and a mirror cube.
What is this cube?
Sir, like a 12-sided cube, we made it like, if you know that 3 into 3 cube, you can solve it easily, but the method you want to know about it.
Alright, and which one is the most difficult here to solve?
The more difficult is here to solve. Sir, because of this, because in the one we have 3 methods in there, you have to learn how to solve it with a method. Like a math, we have a formula.
Yeah. Suppose if we jumble here and there, will you be able to solve this?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So we'll have a live demo. Can we just do that? And how much time will you take to solve it?
Sir, sir, I actually don't measure a time.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. So let's see how is he going to do it, and we'll calculate the time also. How much time is he going to take? In the meantime he's solving, I'll go to the next child. Which cube is this big? It's a 4 by 4. And how much time will you take to solve it?
It will take around 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes to solve it. Okay, Sanvi, can you just... Wow, wonderful. You know how to solve it? Yeah. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Mr. Sudha from class 6 Atlantic.
Alright, so we'll ask Sanvi, can you just again mismatch it? Come beta. Yeah, so come. Yeah, you stand here. Wonderful. So you can see how much concentration they have and they are trying their best to solve it. So in the meantime, they are solving it, but you can see there are so many others also, those who have started solving their own. Their children, you can also mismatch it and start solving it. Let's see how they will do it. Mismatch it and then do it. Mismatch it and then do it. Let's see. Yeah. Fast. Some of the children, they are not even looking at the cube and solving. Wow, wonderful. Yeah. Everyone. See, some of them, see how fast they are. One of the child has already prepared it. Yeah. Dhanashri? Yeah.
It's Tanisha.
Tanisha. All right. All right. Wonderful. So you can see how much immense concentration they have. Come and show it to sir. You can stand and show it to sir that you have already solved. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. All those who have solved it, you can just show it to sir so that he can capture it. Wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. Just, if you have solved it, put it a little higher so that everyone can see it. If you have solved it, yeah, wonderful, wonderful. If you have solved it, keep on putting up for some time till the time you are not captured. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah, that side also solved. Again mismatch it, those who have done it, again mismatch it and start doing it. You can see this side, he has already solved it. We have one more amazing child in our school. He'll be letting us know what Rubik cubes is he solving.
Sir, I am solving right now the crystal cube.
And what is this crystal cube?
So it is the crystal cube. So it is in the form of 3 by. It is a type of 3 by 3, but it has two formulas different from 3 by 3.
All right. And what's your name and which class?
My name is Rubik and I am from class 9.
So could you please show us the demo how you are solving it here? Shall we mismatch it? See how their fingers are holding. See how fast they are doing it. We'll see him how he solves it. It looks very amazing, like a crystal. Show us Denisha today.
Sir, you just tell me two favorite colors from the Rubik's Cube.
Okay, my favorite is one is your pink and one is because I am wearing the red, so red.
Other than
Other than pink, then I'll go for yellow. Yeah, so you do it here only. Let's see. Yeah, we're coming back to you also. Very good. Now, once again mismatch it and again solve it. Let me see how do you do it and make it more difficult to solve. Come. Yeah, come. We have another extraordinary boy here. What are you doing and what's your name?
So my name is Vedant Chopre and I do 3 by 3, 2 by 2 and pyramids.
Alright, so could you please show us some demo? Which one you show us? This pyramid? Alright, it is mismatch? Yeah. So show us please. Yeah, done? Yeah. Oh, she made it for me. Look, wow, wonderful. She asked my favorite color and she has made it for me. Thank you, thank you. God bless you. Wow. What's your name?
So my name is Yuvraj.
Yuvraj. And what do you do, Yuvraj?
Sir, I do 3 by 3.
Alright, so let's see his amazing speech. You can see, dear children, how much talent you have, but you are not knowing how much talented you are. Wow, wonderful. So we come to you also. Twice you have done it. Congratulations to you. See, some of them, they are really doing very difficult one. Now, all those who have done it there, please show your Rubik cube to us. All those who have done it, just show your Rubik cube to us. Wow, wonderful. 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 Yeah. One more. Wow. Yeah.
this side also. Wow. Wow. Wonderful. See, some of them, they are really doing some difficult ones. Now, he has already finished it. Could you please show it on the camera? Wow, wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. Come ahead, come ahead. Wonderful. So, he has also completed it. It's a difficult one, I suppose. Wow, wonderful. Congratulations. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, one more pattern. Yeah, extraordinary. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Rubik sir. So now we have two more girls who are going to show it to us how they are doing it. Yeah, so many patterns you are preparing. Yeah. Which one? Alright, now we have one more. He has taken this challenge of solving this one also. Come. Yeah, wonderful. Show it to sir also. We take this.
Yeah. Just raise your hand closer and just prepare. Wonderful. Okay, fourth time. Wonderful.
Yeah. Very good.
Research Sutar we have, and he is solving it with lot of passion and lot of concentration. So we want to understand how Mr. Sutar is doing it. So Sutar sir, please explain to us how you're doing it. How do you do it so fast?
Yes, sir.
क्या secret है? What is the secret?
First we make
What is the secret of your energy? Boost is the secret of his energy. Yeah. Yeah.
First we will make a star of the edges of the white center, and we will match it with this centers, and then we will make this corners, and then we will solve this edges, and then we will make this corners, and then this edges all, and then this corners, then and on the upper side that edges, and then we will make a star here also, then we will make the edges with it, and then we will place the corners, and then we will rotate the corners.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's clap for him also. Wonderful.